relationship with Daylight these days?
Kami, we are no longer textmates and phone calls. No longer. And we are no longer jogging mates. Dati pinapatawag pa ako dyan sa Coconut Palace eh. Lakad. No. Yun nga, I don't want to burn bridges. Pero I hope that this is only temporary. And it will not look good that the leader of the Una will be talking to a candidate of the other slate. So, tama siguro, just discipline na lang. But after elections, so whatever happens, dapat mag-usap kami for the sake of the party. Kung sa Tagalog pa nagkalamat po ang aming friendship. Well, hindi nga eh. Nagkalamat. Ayoko describe yung malaki o basta ang tinatry ko is wag nang palakihin yung laman. Kasi hindi naman siya ang kaaway ko eh. Wala naman ako issue sa kanya eh. Nagkalamat lang po. Then, you know, we have ceased to become, we have ceased to be textmates. We have ceased to be phone pals. And walking paths, jogging paths.
What about that?
That's why, ma'am, after the elections, we will have to talk to each other. Kahit ano ang resulta, we will have to talk, and then we will have to ask one another, why are we still together in this party? What is our commonality? Ayusin na natin. If there is a commonality, if there is no commonality, time to say goodbye, to speak. My bigger pie, bigger slice bill. So this is about the funds being given by the national government to the local government units. So as of the moment, the fund comes from National Internal Revenue Collections. That is the present pie. Sabi, and then the division is 60% of the present pie goes to the national, 40% of the present pie goes to the local government units. All local government provinces, cities, may formula doon, but only 40% of the present pie. I say, let's have a bigger pie, bigger slice bill. So let's enlarge the pie by redefining where the fund comes from National Internal Revenue Collections. Ngayon, let's make it national taxes. Okay. And then in section 2 of the law, I will now define national taxes. As used in this act, the phrase national taxes shall include the following: collection of the BIR, present, that is now the present pie, comma, customs, comma, so I can add, Philippine Ports Authority, comma, Department of Foreign Affairs, comma, DNR, so bigger pie. And then the slice, national taxes kasi sir eh. Baka it's ano na masyado, too strained na to.
In other words, you're trying to improve on
bigger pie. Yes sir. And then I'll go to the second part muna, the slice. Why do I say bigger slice? Kasi the present 60-40 nga of the smaller pie, ni bigger pie. Sabi ko, let's go for the stars. Let's aim for the stars. Hating kapatid na, 50-50 na of the collection. So, and my point is, this will not entail additional taxes. I'm talking about the same taxes. Ang tanong lang is who gets to decide where the funds will go or how to use the funds. Imbis na more of national will decide, it will now be more of local government units will decide. So even the farthest barangay will be benefited because the money being given by national to the farthest barangay would be bigger or increased. So sabi ko nga, wala na kayong IRA. Kasi IRA ngayon yan eh. There's no more IRA because it will now be SNT, share in the national tax.